There's a report from 8th July written by Kritika Sharma in the DNA newspaper that an education body affiliated to BJP's ideological parent RSS wants to sanitize NCERT Hindi textbooks by removing Urdu and Persian words. Urdu was born in India. Urdu was born in this very place where we are today. चलिए मैं आपको ये उर्दू लाहौरी गेट से लेके उर्दू बाज़ार से होते हुए उर्दू मंदिर तक लेके चलती हूँ। उर्दू की आपको तारीख़ बताती हूँ, कहानी बताती हूँ और उर्दू किस तरह से एक मज़हब के साथ जुड़ी या उर्दू का नाम ही कहाँ से आया। The language was never called Urdu, the language was always called Hindavi, Hindi or Hindustani. So the city that Shah Jahan decided to populate around the Qila was called Shah Jahanabad and later on called Sheher-e-Urdu-e-Molla or the city of the exalted camp. Around beginning of the 19th century, a surgeon called Gilchrist wrote a dictionary in which he published it, he called it the Dictionary of Hindustani and he published it in two scripts, Perso-Arabic and Devanagari. And from there starts this narrative that there is a This is where Ghalib, the famous Urdu poet, lived from 1860 to 1869. कोई वीरानी सी वीरानी है, दश्त को देख के घर याद आए। अब ये एक वीरान जगह है, लेकिन कभी ये आबाद था, इसमें गालिब रहा करते थे। We are here to meet Nasheed Shadani, the founder of Ishq Urdu.
DNA एक ब्लॉग है, उससे ये निकला है। तो इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि क्लीन हिंदी बुक्स ऑफ वर्ड्स सच एज ईमान, रुझान, शिद्दत एंड ताकत।
तो उसी में मैंने कहा कि अगर इनकलाब जिंदाबाद इन्होंने हटा दिया तो ये किस तरह से आज़ादी की लड़ाई को बच्चों को सिखाएंगे।
एक बड़ा सीधा साधा सा जुमला मैं आपके सामने इस टाइम पढ़ूंगा कि एक मकान में गोरा चिट्टा आदमी। तो इस छोटे से जुमले में मकान जो है वो अरबिक लफ्ज़ है, चिट्टा, गोरा चिट्टा का जो चिट्टा है वो पंजाबी लफ्ज़ है, नन्ना मुन्ना का नन्ना गुजराती है, बच्चा जो है वो फारसी से आया है। तो इस तरीके से अगर मैं ये फॉरेन वर्ड्स हटा दूँ तो फिर हमारे पास क्या जुमला बचा बोलने के लिए।
Where we are standing today, this area used to be known as the Urdu Bazaar in front of the Lahori gate of the Lal Qila. But today this entire area is known as Chandni Chowk. Now Urdu Bazaar used to cater to the needs of the soldiers. So Urdu was never the name of a language. The language that was spoken here was Hindavi and it had taken a lot of words from various languages that the soldiers used here. It was born in the camp in the city of Urdu-e-Molla. So language came to be known as Zaban-e-Urdu-e-Molla. And this is where Shah Jahan's army used to camp. He had many Jain soldiers also in his army. And there was one soldier who established a small mandir with 3 murtis. And because Urdu meant camp or lashkar or cantonment, the mandir also started getting called Urdu Mandir.